This plant right here is known as bow or kunde or cowpea leaves. This is a specific type of cowpeas uh, that is cultivated for the leaves, for the edible leaves. The pods can also be eaten as well as the beans that come out of this. This is a quick growing crop. It's only been 30 days since I planted the seeds over here. So this is my bow okunde that I planted on the 21st. And it's been 30 days and it's ready for harvesting. So we're going to be harvesting this while I show you the seed to harvest process. Soaking the seeds of the bow or the kunde is completely optional, but I like to soak the seeds for about 12 hours, no more than 24 hours, just to facilitate germination. So after soaking, we're going to direct sow the seeds in the garden, and you want to wait until your last frost date has passed before sowing the seeds in the garden. For me here in Houston, Texas, that is zone 9A, that is after the first week of March. I did plant this around the third week of March. The bow or the kunde likes full sun and plenty of room for airflow. If you plant too close, you can definitely thin the seedlings out to about 2 to 4 inches apart once it germinates. Today is March the 27th, and this is how the bow is looking like just 7 days after planting. As far as soil preparation, all I did was added a bunch of manure. What you see there is rabbit manure, rabbit poop. So 30 short days later, we have our kunde or our bow ready for harvesting. This crop can either be an annual or a perennial, but for us out here in the diaspora, we are going to consider it as annual. It has a very short vegetative cycle, requiring only about 2 months for flowering and fruiting. But the more you harvest, the more it produces. So I'm going to do the first harvesting today and then hopefully harvest again every week. This plant is a very good source of tender, dark green vegetables. The leaves are rich in iron, vitamin E, and vitamin K, and can be used as food by us humans and by animals as well. You know, if you have rabbits and goats, sheep, cattle, stuff like that, you can absolutely feed them the leaves. So yeah, guys, I absolutely hope that you would consider growing this vegetable and see how it does for you. It is very quick growing. Again, in 30 days, I was able to go from seed to harvest. I'm gonna put a link in the description box where you can get the seeds if you're interested in cultivating this vegetable. I think it can do very well in containers too. I planted mine in ground, but I can absolutely see myself growing this in containers. You could also harvest the bow by uprooting the entire plant when it has formed about 3 to 5 true leaves. So guys, that is how I cultivated the bow or kunde from seed to harvest in 30 days. Quick growing crop, super nutritious. I do hope you consider getting the seeds and trying out this vegetable. So if you're interested in getting the seeds, do check the description box for the link to get the seeds. And guys, when you use my link to get seeds from this company, which I truly believe in them, you support me and then you support them and you support small farmers like us just trying to make a difference in the world and bringing some of these specialty vegetables to you, making the seeds available to you. So thank you so much for the support. Until next time, grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Bye everyone.